Judge Greg Mathis and his wife, Linda Mathis, are heading towards a difficult and emotional crossroads as their nearly 4-decade-long marriage is coming to an end. After almost 39 years of shared life, love, and partnership, Linda has officially filed for divorce, setting the stage for the couple's upcoming legal separation. This significant development was confirmed through court documents obtained by major media outlets such as E! News and Today. The news of their impending divorce undoubtedly comes as a shock to many, especially for those who have followed their journey on and off the screen. The couple, who reside in Los Angeles, have long been in the public eye due to Judge Mathis' high-profile career in the legal world. For years, Greg Mathis has been the face of justice on his long-running courtroom reality series, Judge Mathis. His show brought him immense popularity as he became known for his no-nonsense approach to the law, his heartfelt and often inspirational rulings, and his unique ability to connect with litigants. But beyond the bench, Greg Mathis has always prided himself on his role as a husband and father. In 2022, fans were given a rare glimpse into the personal life of the iconic TV judge and his family through the E! Reality show Mathis Family Matters. This series showcased a different side of the Mathis family, allowing viewers to see the dynamics of their home life. The show offered behind-the-scenes moments and portrayed a family bound by love and support, demonstrating that their unity extended far beyond the cameras of the courtroom. For many, Mathis Family Matters symbolized a tight-knit family overcoming challenges together while navigating the ups and downs of life, particularly in the public eye. Greg and Linda's relationship, which began in the early 1980s, was one that flourished over time. The two tied the knot in 1985, beginning a lifelong commitment that spanned nearly 40 years. Together, they raised 4 children, their daughters Jade and Kamara, and their sons Greg Jr. and Amir. Each of their children has grown into accomplished adults, with careers and lives of their own, yet their bond with their parents has always been a central theme in the family's narrative. However, even seemingly strong unions are not immune to the strains and challenges of life. The announcement of their divorce comes in the wake of another major shift in Judge Mathis' professional life. After 24 seasons on the air, the beloved Judge Mathis show was abruptly cancelled in 2022, along with another iconic TV courtroom series, The People's Court, which was hosted by Judge Marilyn Milian. This cancellation marked the end of an era for TV court shows, as both series had become staples in daytime television. For Judge Mathis, the end of his show and now the dissolution of his marriage signal a time of profound transition. While the reasons behind the split remain private, the decision to part ways after such a long journey together is undoubtedly a deeply personal and complex one. Divorce, after nearly 4 decades, is not simply the end of a relationship, it represents the unraveling of a shared history, memories, and the life that the two built together. It signifies a turning point in the lives of both Greg and Linda, as they begin to navigate what the future holds for them as individuals. As the Mathis family continues to weather this period of change, they will likely lean on the strong familial bond that has always been at the heart of their story. While the coming months will bring new challenges, the enduring impact of their life together will not easily be forgotten. Linda Mathis, in her recent divorce filing, has taken a bold legal step by requesting spousal support, a common and often contentious issue in high-profile separations. However, her request doesn't stop there. She has also moved to block the court's ability to award spousal support to her soon-to-be ex-husband, Judge Greg Mathis. This decision adds a complex layer to their already highly publicized divorce, signaling that the financial aspects of their separation may become a significant battleground in the months ahead. The specifics of Linda's financial demands and her move to prevent Greg from receiving support reflect the broader challenges that many couples face when untangling their financial lives after decades of marriage. Given the high-profile nature of their relationship, these legal maneuvers are likely to draw even more attention as their divorce proceedings move forward. The fact that Linda has specifically sought to ensure that Greg will not receive any spousal support suggests that there may be underlying financial dynamics in play that have not yet been made public. It's worth noting that after nearly 40 years of marriage, the couple's finances are undoubtedly deeply intertwined, encompassing their shared assets, earnings, and investments built up over a lifetime. The fight over spousal support will likely be one of the more scrutinized elements of their divorce, especially given Greg's long and successful career in television. Judge Greg Mathis, well known for his syndicated courtroom show Judge Mathis, has enjoyed a substantial career as a public figure, having presided over televised cases involving everyday disputes for more than 2 decades. His television program, alongside its fellow long-running courtroom series, The People's Court, featuring Judge Marilyn Milian, became cornerstones of daytime television. Both shows, produced under the Warner Brothers TV banner, provided a unique blend of legal education and entertainment, with each judge presiding over small claims cases brought by parties who agreed to binding arbitration in a mock courtroom setting. These shows not only made household names out of both Mathis and Milian but also solidified their status as influential television personalities. For years, Judge Mathis' show stood out due to his charismatic and often compassionate approach to handling the cases brought before him. His background as a former judge in the Michigan 36th District Court gave him credibility, while his personal story of overcoming adversity endeared him to millions. Similarly, Judge Milian, a former Florida Circuit Court judge, was equally beloved for her sharp wit and keen legal mind. Together, these two programs captured audiences who tuned in not just for the drama of the disputes but for the wisdom and personality that each judge brought to the bench. However, in a major shakeup in 2022, both Judge Mathis and The People's Court were cancelled. After years of success and a loyal following, the end of these two courtroom staples left a void in daytime TV. While these cancellations were undoubtedly significant, they did not mark the end of Judge Mathis' career. Court was back in session for him in 2023, as the popular TV personality made a triumphant return to the screen. His enduring appeal and his connection with viewers were undeniable, and it wasn't long before he found himself at the helm of another legal reality series. His return demonstrated that, despite the cancellation of his long-running show, Judge Mathis' place in the world of televised arbitration was far from over. His voice and presence remained highly sought after in the genre, reaffirming his status as one of the most iconic courtroom figures in television history. In the midst of this professional resurgence, Judge Mathis must now face the personal challenges of his divorce from Linda. As their legal proceedings continue to unfold, the public will likely be watching closely to see how the financial aspects of their separation are resolved, particularly given Linda's proactive approach to securing spousal support while simultaneously aiming to prevent Greg from receiving the same. After nearly 40 years of marriage, the division of assets and financial responsibilities between them will not be a simple matter. But, as they move forward with their lives apart, both will undoubtedly reflect on the years they shared and the legacy they have created, both personally and professionally. Greg Mathis, widely recognized for his role as the charismatic host of the long-running reality courtroom show Judge Mathis, has been selected to lead the forthcoming series, Mathis Court with Judge Mathis, as announced by Allen Media Group. Byron Allen, CEO of Allen Media Group, expressed his excitement in a statement, saying, "Judge Greg Mathis is an exceptional, charismatic, and iconic television personality. We have no doubt that our 8th and newest court series featuring Judge Mathis will achieve tremendous success for years to come, further enhancing our already stellar lineup of talent." Mathis, who began his television career after serving as a district court judge in Michigan, first graced screens in 1998 with the debut episode of Judge Mathis, according to IMDb. His show's impact was cemented 2 decades later when it won a Daytime Emmy Award for Outstanding Legal/Courtroom Program in 2018. In addition to his courtroom success, Mathis and his wife, Linda Mathis, invited viewers into their personal lives through their reality show. The series offered a candid look at the ups and downs of their marriage and family life as they navigated the complexities of raising their children and grandchildren.